Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a crewmate from Among Us standing on the scanner. So it's gonna be simple, easy, for beginners. So let's get started. If you've never drawn anything, you will be able to draw this, all right? I'm gonna curve a line here for the top of the head. Find that top of the head. Curve it down forward here for the front of the forehead. Start another curved line for the top of that kind of like, how do you say that? Like that window that he looks out of. Curve down for the front of that lens. Curve down here. Curve below here. And you have kind of like a pillow shape that makes the lens. Curve here. And then I'm going to go to the back of the head. And then slowly pull it all the way down. It's kind of to the legs, the back leg area. Also, don't forget, if you like kind of what you're learning here, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so it gives you notifications. Curve line here for the bottom of the foot. Curve line here for the bottom of this foot. Pulling up. Pulling in for that lower body, and then pulling up again. So now between here and here, we're gonna have a midpoint and we're gonna pull back. So think about a halfway point between here and here. Think about that halfway point, don't draw it, but then slide back and you're gonna hit that top of that backpack. I'm gonna go over here, the lower body, I'm gonna pull back, and then you're gonna hit that lower portion of the backpack. So don't worry about it. You can be kind of near and off on these proportions and it'll still look like a crewmate, you know? That's a good part about this design. It's a very good design because it'll still mostly look like a crewmate. Even if like, we're gonna connect these right here. Even if some stuff is like long or short, these designs are pretty strong, you know? That's kind of why the genius of it. So we have our crewmate and now we're gonna draw the scanner that he's standing on. So that's gonna be like a circle, okay? I'm gonna draw the I'm gonna draw the outside of that circle first. It's a stand, it's like a circle stand. So I'm gonna curve it here. Okay. And then I'm gonna like imagine it behind him, right? You gotta imagine in your mind's eye kind of where that's gonna come out. Curve it here. And I'm gonna continue to curve it about this point. You know, you could do it like in pieces like that, like I did. Excuse me, I'm still suffering a little bit from my, I had a sickness like 3 weeks ago, but doing a lot better, okay? Thank you for everybody being super nice. Curve line here. It's gonna be kind of a side of that stand, of that scanner. Curve here. All right. We're gonna draw a straight line over here. I'm not gonna draw it all the way at the end, but just kind of near the end. And I'm going to draw it right there. And then same thing on this side. I'm gonna draw a line down, but it's not gonna be a line at the end because I want one of these little notches here at the end. And now from this point, I'm gonna connect it to this point, but it's gonna be curved because he's on this like curved stand. Same thing over here. Oops. Yeah, that's all right. And then I'm gonna draw so this circle shape that I have, I'm gonna draw another one on the inside. Gonna draw a line here, because it has kind of it's kind of a compass shape in the middle of that. All right. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bolden kind of the outside of everything. I just like to do that for style points. You don't have to do that. And obviously that's a lot easier if you have like a marker. So you can do these in anything you want. You can do these in pencil, you can do these in pen. You know, I do prefer this marker here. You can check out a supply list in the description. I put you know, link to all the stuff on Amazon, so if you ever do want to buy it, I get a kickback, a very small kickback, if you do decide to buy it off there. But like I said, it's totally up to you. Let me think in some of these lines too, actually. So I've been posting on here for 6 years, but I've posted more in the last 7 months, 8 months than I have in the last 6 years. A lot of it was due to the pandemic, but it has been a blessing in disguise. It has been amazing. Everybody's been so super nice. I've created a whole new like group of friends online that I can just talk to. I can post stuff and people reply. It's so amazing. It is like something that I will not let go ever, you know? Even after pandemic, like totally after pandemic, I will continue to post this way, and I want to post this way the entire year. That is my plan, to post like 3 times every day to give you guys variety, because everybody's just so overly nice. I am planning on adding more. I'll tell you what I'm planning on adding. I am still waiting on my computer. Talked about it for a few days. I have a new quote-unquote computer. It's not really new, but it's new to me, right? Because my computer is like 12 years old, my current one. So I'm gonna buy like a 6-year-old computer, so I can edit better. And so like doing that, I think I can edit some fun things, and I think I can really, I don't know, I think I can really make more entertaining drawing videos. You know, right now they're good, they're for learning, but I think I can make them more entertaining, you know, maybe with more sounds and stuff like that. All right, this one's a little curved more than this one, but I don't mind it. Anyways, that is it. Thank you so much. If you want to see my hour-long Skillshare, basically they're hour-long Skillshare lessons, and they're like on stuff like anatomy, on anime, on all kinds of stuff. If you do want to see that, go check that out in the link in the description, the Skillshare link. Also, there is a free ebook that I made. It's about drawing cute stuff and the proportions of cute. So the idea is that when you draw something very cute, there is a specific proportion. What makes something look cute? Like, really think about it. It's normally not the scale. You know, the scale can be part of it, but it's really the proportions within the head and stuff like that. And I made a little chart in the ebook, and so you can just look at it and you understand immediately. So that's what I did. That's in the description as well if you can find it. Thank you so much. Say hi to me in the comments section. And I will definitely say hi back, okay? So this has been Easy Pictures to Draw, and I'll see you next time.